What's the meaning of birthmark? Birthmark. Birthmark.
Birthmark. Birthmark. A birthmark is a benign irregularity on the skin that is present at birth or appears shortly after birth. Birthmarks come in various shapes, sizes, colors, and patterns and can occur anywhere on the body. While most birthmarks are harmless, some can indicate underlying medical conditions and may require further evaluation. Some common types of birthmarks include pigmented birthmarks, such as moles and café au lait spots, and vascular birthmarks, such as port wine stains and hemangiomas. Treatment options for birthmarks depend on the type and severity of the mark and can range from observation to surgical removal or laser therapy.